All right.
hitting a home run.
This app is called Miso, I think it is, or
So
Miso.
good. Miso, like the soup.
Yes, like the soup.
We talked to the developer and he said it's like the soup.
Yeah, I was watching the iPad show, and you guys had the developer of this app on, and I'm like, oh wow, I wonder if they have this for Android. So I looked it up, and they do.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, Miso is an app that it's like Foursquare for TV. You check in and say what you're watching, and you can hook up with all your friends from Facebook or whatever, and it'll I don't know. Then you can just see what they're watching. It's one of these specialized social networks that has kind of sprung up to build on top of Facebook. Like the way that Ping should have been.
Oh boy.
Yeah. So if you want to switch over to Gadget
Boom.
Cam.
Oh wow, that's nice.
So there's this new standard I think emerging of social networking apps where they have this similar splash screen. I've noticed Facebook is like this, Twitter's like this. I mean, it's all the way across.
Facebook was Joel Hewitt. We had him on one of our shows once, and he was kind of the guy who invented it.
Hey,
he's awesome.
But it's pretty cool. If you go to activity, it'll show you what your friends are watching, and I think that last time I checked, Steve was one. I brought up. I checked in for the Android app show, but like it shows Steve watching Jimmy Fallon 28 minutes ago, and all kinds of cool stuff. Some National Geographic stuff. It might seem kind of weird, being able to see what your friends are watching, but you'll find it's a really unique way to discover new TV shows. And I guess like I don't find myself having conversations on the platform so much about the shows and stuff as much as talking directly with somebody that I know, saying I saw that you watched this or that. So
right, yeah.
It's kind of the way that Facebook works. I mean, sometimes you do have these conversations on Facebook about things, but a lot of times I find myself saying, "Oh, I saw on Facebook you did this and that," or somebody told me about this. So it kind of augments reality in a way that augmented reality apps don't. So I like that.
Very nice.
It says we can't connect to the network.
What?
Thanks, Verizon. Oh, I just hit refresh and it worked. So it'll keep track of your favorites. Like it shows my top 3 on here, which of course the Android app show and the tech show and South Park. What do you want?
Mm-hmm.
So,
of course.
And then some trending stuff. So popular things that people are watching, like True Blood, which I did. I watched the season finale of that. And you can discover again, aside from your friends, just what everybody's watching. And you might say to yourself, "Wow, I have no clue really what this Bad Girls Club is down here, but that sounds like something I might be into."
Yeah?
No.
I thought you were more of a Glee kind of guy.
No, I'm more of a Mad Men kind of guy.
Not a Gleek.
No, sorry.
I don't know what that means.
I tried to watch. You don't act like you're not.
No, I'm not.
I got your number.
My wife is.
Yes.
I can't.
But yeah, and they have all these shows listed out on here, and then once you bring up the shows page, you just click check in, and boom, you're done. Which, if you have an iPad, I guess you might it might seem familiar to you. So
Whoa.
I'm just looking at your version, and it's the same.
There's mine. There's Lane's.
Yeah.
Boom, boom. Holy moly! That's almost.
I'm freaking out.
Holy cow! What's going on?
So it's pretty cool. The website, if you want to check it out, because you can check in on the website too, is gomiso.com. Don't go to just miso.com because that's some weird Japanese site.
Yeah, it's crazy stuff. That's the iPad version if you're watching the video.
Yeah.
Very similar, but not. Oh, they have badges. You can see your badges and stuff.
Yeah.
Kind of cool.
And the same thing on the Android version. They have badges listed out and everything.
I like it.
Ooh.
You have only one badge?
Yeah. Well, I've only been using it for like a few days.
Maybe.
I haven't checked into a lot, but I'm curious what earns Mustache Patrol. Watch the good guys. Okay, I don't know what that is, but
oh, so it tells you what. That's what I don't like about Foursquare is sometimes like you want to get a badge,
Yeah,
but you don't know what it is. Like you
yeah.
can't figure it out. At
I
least that I
and you don't
want the
need to talk to
mustache.
me like Mister like 15 badges or whatever on Foursquare. Like I've got one
Yeah.
or two maybe. I keep checking into the same lame places, hoping I'm gonna get some lame achievement badge.
Yeah.
That's probably why I'm getting denied.
Mm-hmm.
They're like, you can't get badges based on those locations. It's just sad.
Oh, yeah.
But this is a free app,
Mm-hmm.
and again, I like it. I really do. It's really cool. Like especially in the summertime, it seems to me like there's always these videos, or rather these TV shows in the summertime
Yeah.
that I never hear about,
Mm-hmm.
that are on that are really cool. And True Blood started for me that way. Like I'd never heard of it, and then all of a sudden, just I happened to hear about it on I think the first season, and it was like 6 episodes in. And I'm like, where the heck have you been, my life? You know?
True Blood.
Yeah. It's an HBO thing though.
Mm-hmm.
It can also be acquired online.
My wife was that way with Drop Dead Diva.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's a good one.
So Miso, check it out.
Check it out and check in to it.